spinning now. The marble. No opening.
One more. This is the problem. This gear.
We got a fire in the first gear, so we will check the second one.
Push.
Now it's opening. Master Oppo. Oppo now is opening. What's this name? Name this one?
This one sensor. Oil
Now,
control valve.
huh?
Oil control valve.
Now almost open the oil control valve, and the master Oppo was checking the oil control sensor valve. He was serious, checking correctly, and now you take this one.
Valve.
Yeah, this one valve. This
Maybe
is our first video because we are not very good for English, so we just translate it very well so you understand.
wiring. This one.
Now almost done wiring remove, and we will take now the plate inside. And we will put like this. We take inside. Let's repair it. Put here, no? Right? Right.
Hold.
Now good. This is Nurul, the master electrician. Also this Oppo, the master of all gear here in 4x4. Now he's almost opening the gear to check it out. What's the problem inside? What? Oh, it's almost opening. Get down. This video is just to teach you. So for the first time who wants to know this open, we have the guide. Almost.
Also same to same this one problem.
Now we just open the two gear, but the problem is the same. Was burned fire. So the master mechanic decision. Take it round and check it out. What's your final decision?
New need more clutch.
Okay.
Okay, now plus.
Now we are almost done.